Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Colors of Mathematics. So today we are solving another problem from class 8 NCERT Exemplar. So let's solve. So we have to find the value of x in this question, and we can see that we have ratios on both the sides. So in such questions we have to do the cross multiplication. So let's do. So what do we get? We get 2x minus 3 into 3 is equal to 1 into 4x plus 5 upon further simplification, like this 3 will get distributed to the numbers inside the bracket, but here is 1 only, so it will be same. So we get here 6x minus 9 is equal to 4x plus 5. Bringing the variable terms on one side, we get 6x minus 4x is equal to, and constant sides taken on the other side, we get 5 plus 9. So we get here 2x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 divided by 2. So x is equal to 7. So now let's check. First, let us take the LHS, which is 2x minus 3 over 4x plus 5. Let's put the value of x, 2 into 7 minus 3, 4 into 7 plus 14 minus 3, 11 divided by 28 plus 5, 33, which simplifies to 1 by 3, which is equal to the RHS. So I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching.